Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to be a good scientist. I'm going to make slime now. First glue. Next later. Next paste it. Oh no, it's not working. Ah! I know. I'm gonna make a volcano. First water, then acid. Uh-oh, it's not working. Ah! Idea. Abby! Ariannie, what happened? I'm never gonna be a good scientist.
Yes, you will. I can help you, but you need to follow the instructions. Looking for you, I got the instructions right here. Always make sure to follow the instructions on this lab. First, we're gonna do a lava lamp. You get a food current of your choice. You put several drops in water and you mix it.
It's making red light.
Next, we put oil in an empty jar. And now we pour the color water in the oil.
Wow. Yeah. Wow.
The top part looks yellow.
Wow, it's amazing, Mom.
It looks so cool.
Now we're gonna make a bubble. Wow. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool.
The Alka-Seltzer tablet reacts with the water to make tiny bubbles of carbon dioxide gas. Next experiment is magic pencil. You get a bag of water and then you poke it with a pencil. Just like that. And more.
You can add as many pencils as you like.
Whoa! The bag is made of polymer,
Which are flexible.
so it seals around the pencil and won't let water out. Now we're gonna do magic colors. First, you outline where you want to draw. Just like that. Then you make sure you color in your drawing. You close it and then you put it in water.
Ooh, got clean. Okay. Oh my goodness.
And we have more.
Wow. So cute.
Wow!
Wow, so cute. Wow.
Now we're gonna do walk in water. First, you fill every other cup with water. Then you add several drops of color, blue, red, add yellow. You mix it. Next, you add tissue so that they are connected and the water can walk slowly. And now we wait.
Whoa!
Our next experiment is candy rainbow. First, you get candy and line them up in a plate like a rainbow. Next, you pour enough water to cover them up. Let me help you. And now we wait. Candy has a combination of dye and sugar, which dissolves quickly in water.
Whoa!
Next experiment is elephant toothpaste. First, you add several squirrels of color to hydrogen peroxide. You mix it. We got red, yellow,
It's mixing yellow.
blue, and green. Next, you add some drops of dish soap. Let me help you, Ariannie. Next, you add the colored hydrogen peroxide to a flask. We got red. I can help you. This is yellow, green, and last blue. Then you mix a spoonful of dry yeast to a little bit of warm water. Mix again.
Yeah.
And now we are ready. The yeast in the water broke apart the oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide, which makes it create lots and lots of bubbles.
Bye-bye. Make sure to subscribe.
Bye friends. Hello YouTube, we're gonna count to 10.
Number.
Count to 10. Giant gummy bear. Giant gummy bear. Want some? Number 2.
Balloon experiment.
Wow! So cool!
It's working. Nice finish. 1, 2. Yay! Number 3. Elephant toothpaste.
Number 4. Guess the baby food. Apple. This one. Bean. Banana. Carrot. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Great. Number 5.
Guess the juice.
Strawberry. Good job.
Mango.
No.
Fruit punch.
No.
No.
Apple. Good job.
Fruit punch. Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job.
Yay! 6. Find the numbers.
Number 1.
Number 2.
Number 3.
Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Banana.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Number 8. Eight exercises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 9. 9 boxes. Huh?
9 boxes. Number 1. Cacahuat.
Number 2. Lobster. Number 3.
Caterpillar.
Number 4.
Dog.
Number 5. Ant. Number 6. Spider. Number 7. Spider. Number 8. Mosquito.
Number 9.
Number 10. Slime. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So cool! Wow! Bye, YouTube. Like to subscribe, like to subscribe.